Hey guys, so I have a product review for you, and this is going to be a little bit out of my norm, and I even told the company that. So I have a Shiba Inu, and she is 8 years old, and because we feed her way too many table scraps, and because she's getting older, she's having some issues jumping up on the bed like she used to when she was a puppy, and she's also just having, I can just tell she has some joint issues just because of her weight and her age, don't we all? So iPetvo reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review of their dog ramp. My unboxing portion of the video just so I can show you the assembly, and then we're going to go through basically 4 days of training. So this is going to be a process to get through, and I'm just going to be honest with you and tell you that Shiba Inus are not the most accommodating dogs a lot of the times. So I don't know how this is going to go, but we'll play it by ear and see how it works out. All right, so we're gonna do an unboxing today, like I said, and there are different, pieces in the box. These are pretty nice. They're pretty thick pieces of wood. It does have their company name on the side. That's kind of a neat little feature. And then there are more pieces in the box, of course. Now, I will tell you that when they told me they were sending me this ramp and that it was pink, I was like, great. Okay, I don't really do pink. I mean, I have like a cranberry colored shirt on, but when I think pink, I think like hot pink or something. This is not I wouldn't call this pink. I mean, it's in the pink family, but I would say this is more of like a dusty rose color. So it's not going to be obnoxious, at least in my bedroom, which I know that's not the point. That shouldn't matter, blah, blah, blah. But you have to think about those things, right? I don't want my bedroom to look awful. All right, so there is a little congratulations booklet to tell you how to put it together, I'm hoping. And no, actually it doesn't tell you how to put it together. So hopefully it's pretty self-explanatory. That's what I'll say. And then it does have a 7-day ramp training guide. Let me get closer so you can see that. It does have this 7-day training guide that you can go through with your dog, just showing you how to get everything, get the little dog using the ramp as it should. All right, so here are our pieces. Oh, and there are also a bag of goodies that I'm gonna have to put this together with. So, all right. I'm gonna get this together and then we'll go get the dog. Are you kidding? There's no instructions? Dad's gotta watch this plan. Hey, Nico. Come here. 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 That's nummy. She's like, this things.
Like this good scratching.
Is he scratching it? That's funny. We can do this. We're gonna do this together. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Oh, cheese. I like cheese. Here you go. Look. Look. Oh, careful. Don't fall. Come here. Come on. Come on. I'm afraid she's going to jump. Come here. Nope, 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 nope. This way. This way. Well, that doesn't feel very steady, does it? Come here. This way. This way. All right. Let's look at the camera and say we do a review. We don't feel like it's very sturdy. You weigh about 45 pounds. It definitely wobbles. It was not easy to put together. There were no assembly instructions. If it weren't for the fact that I have a little bit of knowledge on how things go together, it wouldn't have come together. And then my husband had to come home and drill a couple of holes bigger because the screw, the bolt holes didn't line up correctly for the braces on the sides. So I'm going to be honest and tell you that I was supposed to do like a 4-day video for this, but I'm not doing it. And it's just not worth my time. And watching her go up on this ramp one time and seeing how it wobbles, I'm not going to trust her on this. I just don't feel like it would be safe for her. And so it's, yeah. Nope, that's my review. So there is a link in the description box below. If you have a smaller dog, you might be interested, but I would warn you and tell you that the assembly instructions are not included in the box. They're not on their website and they're not on the Amazon link. So you're gonna have to kind of fly by the seat of your pants. And also, this does not feel safe for her. And this is the large one. So that's what I'm saying. She's a very brave girl though. And you also saw right there, she kind of slipped as she was going down the ramp, even though it is kind of carpeted or whatever, but that traction control was not there for her even when she was coming down. But good girl. You were so brave. You were so brave. And you went up and down, but we are not going to mess with this thing anymore. But you can absolutely have your string cheese. All right. See you later, guys. Have a great day.